Hi, Lisa. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
That's great. How do you practice?
I practice by listening to English songs and watching movies with subtitles.
Good idea. Do you also speak English with others?
Yes, I try to speak English with my classmates and friends.
That's fantastic. Have you noticed any improvements?
Yes, my vocabulary and speaking skills are getting better.
Wonderful. What challenges do you face while learning?
Sometimes I find grammar rules difficult to understand.
I understand. Grammar can be tricky. Have you tried using grammar exercises or online resources?
Yes, I use grammar exercises and watch YouTube videos to learn grammar.
That's a great approach. Keep practicing and you'll improve.
Yes, I'll keep practicing.
Anything else you want to share about your English learning journey?
I'm enjoying the process and looking forward to becoming fluent in English one day.
That's a fantastic attitude. Keep up the good work and never give up. You'll get there.
Hi, how was your day?
It was good, thank you. How about yours?
Mine was great. What did you do today?
I stayed at home and watched some movies.
That sounds relaxing. Did you do anything else?
Yes, I cooked dinner for the family.
That's nice. What did you make?
I made spaghetti with meatballs.
Yum, can I have some?
Of course, there's plenty for everyone.
Thank you. By the way, have you finished your homework?
Yes, I finished it earlier in the afternoon.
That's good. Is there anything else you need to do?
I need to clean my room before going to bed.
Don't forget to tidy up. Are you ready for bedtime?
Yes, I'm tired and ready to sleep.
All right, have a good night's rest.
Thank you, you too.
Good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yes, I slept well. How about you?
I'm feeling refreshed, thank you. Are you ready to go to work?
Yes, I'm all set. What about you?
I'm ready too. How do you usually commute to work?
I take the bus to work. It's convenient.
That's nice. How long does your commute usually take?
It takes about 30 minutes on average.
Not bad at all. What do you do for work?
I work as an accountant at a company downtown.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but rewarding.
That's great to hear. What time do you usually start work?
I start at 9 a.m. What about you?
I start at 8:30 a.m. Do you have any morning routines before heading to work?
Yes, I have breakfast and check my emails before leaving.
Sounds like a good routine. Do you have any plans for after work today?
Not really, just some errands to run. What about you?
I have a gym session scheduled for the evening. Anything else you'd like to share about your work routine?
Not much, just looking forward to a productive day.
That's a good mindset. I wish you a successful day at work.
Thank you, same to you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.